I'm really feeling safe. I really do. I don't know. Something about this one. Let's go. Oh! Let's go! Oh my god! Some days you get carried, other days you gotta carry. And this was one of those days where I had to put the team on my back. Just me and this guy. But ain't no words, I got this. Come on. Oh. Hey, let's go. We did it once, can we do it again? Another one.
Rimessa aperta para Messi, 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 immens Messi, encara 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 Messi, gol, 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 gol.
Papa? Papa? Papa?
LDBR inbound.
It always hurts when someone gets a sync hit, especially on your MVP, and they already had one.
He's gonna die to the green ball.
Oh my god.
Like,
no way I got
nice.
hit by it. Oh.
No, you're fine. You're fine. It's 8%. You're good. You're good. You're chilling. You got hella stamina. Yeah, that's all you. There's a brew on the ground. Just take your time. There's a crab that's spawned.
Yeah, I'm a proc
out. Good shit. Easy. Look at that. Look at that carry, bro. It's one hit. One hit. Easy.
I'm gonna take this through because I deserve it.
Hey, that's my brew. What the fuck?
Oh,
Oh god.
please,
Please, a kit. Never. Come on, get a kit. You deserve a kit. You didn't get shit.
Alright, webs. Let's go. Okay, that guy skipped, so we're all in sync now. Oh. Hey, clean. Let's go. Ooh, purple in my name. Love to see it. I'm really feeling safe. I really do. I don't know. Something about this one. Let's go. Oh! Let's go! Oh my god! I called it too. Wow. Wow. This is my first ever Scythe FFA pull. Oh my god. We actually got the Scythe. This is huge. This is huge, huge for the rebuild. I needed this. I've been running tops like crazy. And from a hard mode top as well, with the MVP.
You're gonna troll me, bro.
Who do you think I am? Hold on. Whoa, don't you say my government? Wait, how do you know? Hey, bro, what the?
What do you mean?
I,
You pulled a scythe?
just now, bro. You are.
Oh my god. Oh my god, bro. That's amazing, dude. Grats, dude. That's crazy, dude. So deserved. I know you haven't pulled one, right?
Till now, we made about 45 mil, but this adds another 1.4 bill to the total. So, I mean, we just skyrocketed. We just, you know, multiplied our cash tag by a crazy amount. I am going to be paying cash for 15%. So it's about, if I sold it right now, it will be over just about 200 mil. I'm going to keep Casper's gear and just keep sending until we can get another Scythe. Thanks for watching and being a part of the journey. If you guys like what you saw, make sure to like the video and subscribe, as it really helps me as a new content creator. I'll see you guys next time.